Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. So do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, and so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification. And friends, also what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise like 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way apart from seeing 18th video, 25th video, 86th video, then 93rd video. So you will get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay. So I will start. Okay. So in our last video, I have covered the topic called what happens to the soul once they have adjusted to the spirit world. Okay. And in our today's topic, I am going to cover the concept called are there angel in the spirit world. So this is the topic which I am going to cover. Let's start. Yes, angel are good soul who guide, help and bring message from God Almighty. Sometimes they come in human form and sometimes they are invisible. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that angel are there. Angel are those souls who bring God's message, and sometimes they even come in human form and sometimes also they are invisible, right? They are good soul from Realm 5 stage 7 and above. Angel from Realm 7 stage 5 above can come down to earth in any form to help soul in the case of emergency. So here a very important thing is said. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that the angel, those who are angels are those who are from Realm 5 stage 7. So they are angel, right? And from Realm 7 stage 5, those who are up from Realm 7 stage 5, they are those angels, those who can come in this earth, right? To help us. And those friends, those who doesn't know what are the realms, I've already covered in the last video, but still I will tell you to them, those who are first time viewers. Realm are basically, there are 7 realm in the spirit world. 1, 2, 3 is considered to be the hell, 4 is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and 5th, 6th, 7th is considered to be the heaven, right? So these are the realms. Okay. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling those who are from stage 7, Realm 7, stage 5, they even can come to earth also to help us. So anytime friends you are in any problem and you are in genuine problem, close your eyes, tell angels, God please help, immediately help will come within no time, within no second. They will come within seconds by help for helping you. After taking permission from his highest good soul, angel have the ability and power to perform miracle. So here also from the high good soul, the angel have to take permission before coming on the earth. So after coming in the earth, they can perform miracles. Soul from realm 5 and 6 help other earth soul too. So here from those soul are from realm 5 and from realm 6, right? So they also help the other soul too, but only from the spirit world they do not come down to earth. So the soul who are in realm 5 and realm 6, they only help the soul only from the spirit world, they cannot come down, right? Angels do not have wings, but they wear robes, and as they fly very fast, their robe give the appearance of wing. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that angel doesn't have wings, but they have robes. So when they fly with that robe, so when people see, they feel that it is like wings, but actually it is robes. It is not wings. However, there are times when angels assume various shape and form, and they sometimes appear to human in form that have wings because that is how you envision them. So here, many a time, what angels do, they even appear in. They can change any shape and size. So they even gradually take wings, right, in their back, so that when we see them we can understand, yes, they are angels and they are came to help us. So angel come, right? So, and they even they come in that way which form we are ready to accept them, right? Wing are used to symbolically represent angels too, let people know that there is a spirit world and that angel are looking after them. So here basically they wear wings many a times, they appear in front of like wearing wings because they want to know us that yes, there is a spirit world and the spirit comes to help us, and they make sure that we do not have facing problem, and even we trust that there is a spirit world and we trust the God. Some soul on earth have seen angels. Each soul is given a robe according to individual requirement, and the robes are made of material that have tremendous power to absorb energy. So here many earth soul have seen angels also. They have given robes also. Many earth soul get robe from the angel so that they could understand the energies, they could understand the God's energy, they could understand that angel are high good soul of the Lord Almighty, and they bring Lord's message, and they often come us to help us whenever we are in problem. The robe of soul on higher realm have more power to absorb and retain energy than do the robes of the soul on lower level. So the soul who are in the higher realm, their robes have more power apart from the soul who are in the lower realm, friends. Okay, the higher you go, the better vibration and the brighter the robe you get. So as much higher we go, that much better vibration and better robes we get. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. So the robes absorb and store positive energy. So these robes, what they do, they absorb and they store positive energy. On the other hand, different robes are required when good spirit soul go to the lower realm. And even secondly, on the other hand, these robes are basically required when the soul go in the lower realm to help the soul who are fallen spiritually down. These robes are made of different material that do not absorb energy. So these robes are made of different material that do not absorb energy, because what happens if they go in the lower realm and their robe starts absorbing those energy, so it will become they will be absorbing negative energy, because in the lower realm maximum things are all of negative, so there is no positivity in the lower realms, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari. But rather reflect it, the lower the realm a soul needs to visit. So rather it reflects, the lower the realm a soul needs to visit it, right, for helping the soul who have spiritually fallen down. The greater the reflecting power of the robe, by reflecting negative energy, the robe keeps the vibration of good soul from being altered. So how much vibration that robes have, it's a protection layer of the good soul to keep themselves altered, not to get influenced by the negative soul, because many a time what happen, if the negativity is too high, this soul can easily get influenced by the negative soul. So keep them protect from the negative influence. So this robe is being used. This robe have different colors, some of which do not exist on the earth. So these robes even have different colors, and many colors which even do not also exist in the earth, because in the earth we know a little bit color like red, yellow, black, white, pink. So there may be different sort of color even which we do not have the name, and even which we do not know, right? This color also exists, of that color robes are there. So friends, this today's topic came to an end. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called "Are there angel in the spirit world?" And in tomorrow's video, in the next video, I am going to cover the topic called "Are angel different from the spirit guides?" Right? So this I'm going to cover. So, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video so you can understand, because this is a 98 number video. Many a times what happen, you see first video, second video, third video. If you come in sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 18th video, 25th video, 43rd video, 86th video, you will get confused, friends. Okay, and if you have any doubt, directly ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever you have any whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do one thing, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, so friends, this brings to ends in today's video, and we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed, stay nice, and one day we all will come in the spirit world, and you will say me, I used to see your videos, and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay, bye friends. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends.